Did you know that the broker you choose to use can affect your trading career and your trading success? Both new and existing traders should carefully choose the broker they use and examine carefully the practices and the policy contracts of brokers and be up to date with new information on brokers. In this lesson, you are going to understand very well the real meaning of a broker by trading financial markets and know effectively how to choose the one you can use when you are trading Forex. What's up, my fellow traders?
My name is Bruno FxMagnet. I am a professional Forex trader and a digital entrepreneur.
Let's get started. Lesson 1, Part 9. How to choose a Forex trading broker. What is a broker? Let's start on real meaning of a broker. Forex brokers are firms that provide retail traders the accessibility to an online Forex market. This allows them to buy or sell foreign currencies. Anyone can simply open a trading account with a Forex broker and trade currencies online with little money. The Forex broker that you use can significantly affect your trading success. The choice of broker must be an individual decision because everyone has different needs and preferences. Right? There are basically 3 types of Forex brokers. They are market maker brokers, electronic communication networks brokers or ECN brokers, and straight through processing or STP brokers. Let me explain to you one by one by starting on number 1, market maker brokers. These brokers act as counterparts. This means that they trade against to your trades. When you place an order in the Forex market by using market maker brokers, you trade with the broker, not the actual market of the banks. This means that when you buy, a broker is selling to you. When you sell, a broker is buying from you. You are trading with the broker, not the actual market of the banks. These brokers don't charge commission. They make money by quoting up the split, which means that if the actual market split is 1 pip, what is a pip? A pip is the smallest incremental move an exchange rate can make. If the actual market spread is 1 pip, market makers brokers mark up the spread from 1 pip to 2 pips or 3 pips, 4 pips or 5 pips. They set up the spread by themselves. If you trade by using market maker brokers, you trade against the broker, not the real market of the banks or actual market of liquidity providers. When you make money by trading through these brokers, the broker loses money. When you lose money, a broker makes money. Right? Why most people use this type of brokers? Most people use the market maker brokers because these brokers allow the minimum deposit to rival account. Traders use these brokers because it's cheaper to start a trading account when you have minimum capital. You know, if you are a trader who likes to overtrade and who likes to lose money, these market maker brokers love you so much because when you overtrade, they make money from the splits, and when you lose, they make money you lose. Alright? There are examples of some market makers brokers. We find a broker called Avatrade, Forex.com, IG Markets, Owanda, Easy Markets, FP Markets, Axe Trader Broker, Saxo Bank, and many others. Alright? On number 2, from the types of brokers, we find electronic communication networks or ECN brokers. ECN is a technology bridge built to link retail Forex traders to the liquidity providers or to the real Forex market makers. When you place an order by using ECN brokers, your order directly is placed to the real market of the banks. This means that you are not trading with the broker, you are trading with the real forex market of liquidity providers or real market of the banks. ECN brokers have lower spread between 0.5 to 1 pip of spread. Actual bid and ask prices are reflected from the actual market of the banks. Spread is not quoted by the broker, spread is quoted by the liquidity providers, right? Electronic communication networks brokers make money by setting a fixed commission per lot. They require a higher deposit for using ECN brokers compared to the market maker brokers, alright? Some examples of ECN brokers, there is IC Markets, Pepperstone, Black Bull Markets, and many others. Alright, let's go on number 3. From the types of forex market brokers, we find straight through processing or STP brokers. STP brokers combine the system of market makers and ECN brokers. When you use these brokers, some of your orders are priced directly to the actual market of the banks, and others they trade against you. They also sometimes mark up the spread, and also they have wider spread. Some of the examples of STP brokers, we find the XM broker, Hot Forex, FBS broker, and many other brokers. Alright, these are some points that you might consider when you are selecting a broker. You can use them as a guide to match your own needs. Point number 1. If you choose a broker, you can watch or check on broker type. Do you prefer to trade with a market maker brokers? Do you prefer to trade with electronic communications networks or ECN brokers? Or do you prefer straight through processing brokers or STP? Another point, you can check to a broker, you can look up the security. How safe are your funds with them? Another point to check, you can check a broker location. Is the broker regulated by any regulatory authority in that country? Another point you can check is a trial account. Does the broker provide a trial demo account? Another point to check is to the trading platform. Can you find the broker on a platform you like using, like MT4, MT5 or at TradingView? How many different currency pairs you can trade on that platform when you use that broker? Can you trade from the charts? Are you comfortable with the order pricing system on the platform? Do they have one-click trading system? This will be useful when you are a scalper. Is an instant execution order efficient? This will be useful if you are a scalper and use trade. We are still on the points you may check to the broker. Does it freeze or lower spread during the time of news release or when the market is moving very fast? Alright, another point to check to a broker, you can check account and trade size. What is the minimum amount that is required for opening an account? What is the minimum trade size? Is it 10,000 or 100,000 currency units? Can you make adjustments to the lot size traded? What is the maximum size you can trade without having to call for a quote? Alright? Another point to check to a broker, you may check or you can check to the order types and the handling. What order types the broker supports? Do they support stop limit? One triggers other and one cancels other orders. How much slippage do you get when trading during news release? What is a slippage? Slippage occurs when your order executed at a price different from what you were expecting or hoping. This can easily occur in fast-moving markets, usually during or after some news release for any non-limit orders. For example of slippage, if the quote shows a bid price of 1.2400 and the trading platform actually executes the trade at 1.2402, there would be 2 pips of slippage. Slippage is the difference between the signal price and the actual execution price. Another point to check, you can check commissions and spreads. ECN generally charge a commission when you open and close your positions. Are you willing to accept that? Are spreads fixed or variable? If spreads are variable, how wide do they get during important news release? Alright? Another point to check, you can check about margin. What is the margin percentage? The lower the margin required, the greater the amount of leverage. Is the margin requirement identical for mini or standard accounts? Another point to check, you can check deposit and withdraw process of your money. What is the process of making deposit and withdraw of your money? Is it through MasterCard, Visa card, PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Skrill, or mobile money, and many others? How fast is it to make deposit and withdraw of your money? All of those are some points you have to consider and take care of before you choose a broker to use when you are trading Forex. Alright? Guys, be sure to read the terms and conditions of the broker, the respective contracts, and understand everything that includes in the contracts before you choose a broker to use. Later, when you have mastered very well to an intermediate or advanced phase in Forex trading, you may choose to spread your money among a few brokers to reduce exposure to a single broker. Alright? Guys, if you do something without learning about it, your chance of success is 10%. If you learn about something and take no action, your chance of success is 0. If you learn a lot and do a lot, your chance of success is 90%. Alright? You have to be persistent. Persistence is the ability to keep going even if things get tough. It's a determination to never give up on your goals no matter what obstacles or setbacks you may face. Persistence, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about learning from your mistakes and failures and using that knowledge to improve and grow. Persistence requires a positive mindset. It's about staying focused on your goals by believing that you can achieve them no matter what challenges coming in your way or you may face. Persistence, it's about being resourcefulness by finding a way around obstacles rather than giving up in the face of adversity. Guys, remember that nothing great in life comes easy, but with persistence you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals quickly. So keep moving forward no matter what. Alright? Do you still want to level up in Forex trading? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video to your friends who need it. See you in the next lesson. Bye.